Hey, what's up, Bitebust family? It's your host Ankit, and today we are going to dive into the intriguing world of biohacking. In this video, we'll explore various techniques and methodologies biohackers use to optimize their health, wealth, and well being using science, technology, and self experimentation. It's like we're turning ourselves into human guinea pigs, but in a good way. So, let's get started. First up, we have Nutrigenomics. This fascinating field studies the relation between our genes, nutrition, and health. By understanding how our genes interact with the foods we eat, we can create personalized diet tailored to our unique genetic makeup. It's like having a cheat code for your own body. This revolutionary approach can help optimize our body's performance, prevent diseases, and promote overall health. Now let's talk about sleep optimization. You know, when you wake up feeling like a million bugs after a great night's sleep, well, that's what we are aiming for here. By using sleep trackers, adjusting our sleep environment, and experimenting with different sleep techniques, we can achieve better quality rest and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Wearable technology has come a long way in recent years, and biohackers are taking full advantage of it. It's like having Jarvis from Iron Man on your wrist. Devices like fitness trackers and smartwatches can monitor our vital signs, track our physical activity, and provide valuable insights into our health. By using wearables, we can identify areas for improvement and make data driven decisions to optimize our well being. Next up, let's talk about nootropics and supplements, also known as smart drugs. Nootropics are substances that can improve cognitive function, memory, and focus. Biohackers often experiment with different combinations of this substance to find the perfect formula for the brain chemistry. It's like trying to find the right fuel for a high performance car, but the car is your brain. Remember though, always consult a healthcare professional before trying any new supplement. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about mindfulness and meditation. Think of your brain as a computer. Sometimes it needs a good reboot to run smoothly. By incorporating these practices into our daily routine, we can reduce stress, enhance focus, and boost overall mental well being. Plus, there are countless apps and resources available to help you get started and stay consistent with your practice. Finally, let's discuss the world of DIY biology and genetic engineering. This rapidly growing community of do it yourself biologists is experimenting with cutting edge techniques to enhance human capabilities and combat diseases. It's like we are stepping into a real life sci fi movie. While this area of biohacking is still relatively new, it's definitely something to keep an eye on in the coming years. Now, it's important to remember that biohacking comes with potential risks and ethical consideration. As with any self experimentation, it's crucial to use evidence based practices and consult with healthcare professionals to ensure safety and effectiveness. Always do your research and be cautious when trying new techniques or supplements. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. To give you a better idea of how biohacking can transform lives, let's look at some inspiring success stories. We'll explore how individuals have used various biohacking techniques to overcome health challenges, achieve peak performance, and improve their overall quality of life. Remember, results may vary, and what works for one person might not work for another. So it's essential to keep biohacking with an open mind and a healthy dose of skepticism. Think of it like finding the perfect pair of shoes. Not everyone's going to fit the same size, so you are interested in biohacking, right? But where do you start? Here are some practical tips to help you begin your journey. Start small. Choose one aspect of your life you would like to optimize, such as sleep or nutrition, and focus on that first. You know, baby steps. The next one is staying informed and up to date on the latest biohacking techniques and scientific advancements. Knowledge is power, my friends. The next one is before trying any new supplements or techniques, always consult with a healthcare professional to ensure safety. Better safe than sorry. Then, for tracking your progress, you can use wearable devices apps, or journals to monitor your progress and make data-driven decisions. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Then the final one is adjusting and experimenting. Biohacking is all about finding what works best for you. So be prepared to make adjustments and experiment with different approaches. It's like a game of trial and error, but with your health. As we look to the future, the world of biohacking is set to evolve and expand even further. With advancements in technology and an increasing understanding of the human body, we can expect to see new and innovative techniques for optimizing our health and performance. Just imagine the possibilities. It's like we are on the cusp of a whole new era of human potential. Well, there you have it, Byteburst family. We have explored the fascinating world of biohacking and discovered how individuals are using science, technology, and self-experimentation to optimize their health, well-being, and performance. Remember to always approach biohacking responsibly and consult with professionals to ensure safety and effectiveness. And I cannot stress this enough. So finally, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to Byteburst for more awesome content. And if you have tried any biohacking techniques, would love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. You know what they say, sharing is caring. Until next time, stay curious and happy biohacking.